Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my newest Easter cards and cards for spring. So let's get started. First, I like to share with you our new easy 3D toppers for Easter and for spring. I picked 4 today, and let's start with the Easter chicks. They are so adorable. Look how they come out of their Easter egg shell. And if you're not familiar with the easy 3D toppers, there are 10 to a pack, and each little embellishment comes in 3 steps. So you have the base piece and then 2 toppers. And look how cute and beautifully colored they come for Easter. I just love those little chicks here with pansies and all these pretty colors in yellow and purple and pink. And look at this one here. Isn't that the cutest? So I made a card with this embellishment. And these come together so super quickly. You just use a base card, some background paper, and then just add the embellishment. You layer them with foam pads, put on a greeting, and then you're done. And these are lightly glittered, and it doesn't come off. So these are my cute Easter chicks. Then I have this pack, it's just called Easter, and again it's got cute bunnies there, decorated Easter eggs, 10 to a pack. We also have the Easter lambs, and these are cute little lambs in the meadows. Look at this one, it's got the chicks on top. So again, very fun for spring and Easter cards. And then our vintage Easter bunnies. Let's see if it focuses in. These are from children's books, and they look, yeah, that's a vintage style. Now I made a sample card with these vintage style Easter bunnies, and look how it came out. They are so cute. So these are not glittered, but they're foiled. And I used one of my new cards that I have in my shop, and they come in packs of 8 with their envelopes, and all you have to do is add a 3D embellishment. And isn't that pretty? And on the back there in green. So here we have the vintage Easter bunnies. Next, I would like to share a pack with stickers. This is a value pack. It has 5 sheets of Happy Easter stickers in there in these beautiful pastel colors in silver, purple, pink, yellow or gold, and then this light blue. And this is how they look. So on my card I have it in pink. So they are iridescent, and again there are 5 to a pack. They're by Due Day in Holland. Now I want to share with you a new 3D die cut sheet. This is the Amy Spring design, and isn't that spring-like? So each of these sheets have 3 card toppers, and they come in several steps that you just layer to make 3 beautiful cards. And here are my samples. So we have these beautiful blue grape hyacinths and the butterflies. I just added some background paper, some of these pretty borders, those are stickers, and you have a cute card. Here are the daffodils. I just added an Easter egg, again a little bit of background paper, these glittery borders. Here they are. So these are just a few that I have in my shop, and they finish each card so beautifully. So look at these are the micro glitter ones, And doesn't it look stunning when you have them on a card? And it doesn't take much, but it finishes it nicely. And I also have some holographic ones. And here I picked some in pink, because that would also work this time. And then my last card, this one here has the pink roses. It looks so luscious, so spring-like. Just a little paper, layer it, and you're done. So 3 cards to 1 sheet. And then I also wanted to share some paper, 6x6 paper in bloom. So just right for for spring. So we have 12 sheets and 12 designs. So it's a small paper pack, but it's something new, and we all have plenty of paper, so I like these packs that are not too many in there. This is nice quality cardstock, and we have pinks and green, and here you could put a 3D embellishment. Got these beautiful fences. So they're one-sided, but I think this is a stunning paper pack, and it's so beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that a wonderful, wonderful, almost photographic like paper? And it's got some script here in the upper left hand corner, some all over design, looks like a hydrangea. More hydrangeas, or maybe lilac. So this is by Scrapberries, and it's called In Bloom, the 6x6 paper collection. I hope you enjoyed my Easter cards and products. If so, please leave me a thumbs up and also a comment in the box below. Also join us on Facebook at the European Papercrafts Friends. You can upload your own projects. I love to see your Easter and spring cards. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, so that you won't miss any future videos. All the product links are in the box below if you feel like you want to check out my store. So thank you very much for spending time with me today, and I catch you next time. Bye!